In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Constant Contact email campaign. The goal of this walkthrough is simple. You will review your campaign, make key improvements, and then either schedule it for later or send it right away. As you follow along, keep your eyes on the screen and make changes step by step so nothing gets missed. First, go to the Constant Contact website. If you are already logged in, you can skip ahead, but if not, sign in so you can access your campaigns. Once you land on the main dashboard, you are ready to find where your email marketing work is stored. This is the starting point, and it matters because every subsequent action depends on opening the correct campaign editor. Next, click Campaigns. This section is where Constant Contact organizes your email campaigns and related messaging. When you click Campaigns, you should see a list of your existing campaigns, often with options to view, edit, or create new ones. Take a moment here to locate the campaign you want to optimize. Choosing the right campaign is essential, because edits apply only to the specific campaign you open. Now open your email campaign. Click the campaign name, or select the option that brings up the campaign details. After it opens, you should be able to see the email content and the settings associated with that particular campaign. This is where optimization begins, since you will be working directly with the version that will be delivered to your audience. After that, click Edit. This is the step that puts you into editing mode. When you are in edit mode, you can safely update the elements of your email, such as the writing, the layout, and the visuals. If you do not see editing options right away, look for the Edit button or a similar control that indicates you can modify the campaign. Then update the subject line, content, images, or call to action. This is the core optimization step, so approach it carefully. Start with the subject line because it strongly influences whether recipients open the email. Next, review the content to ensure the message is clear, relevant, and easy to skim. If your email includes images, check that they support the message and appear correctly in the preview. Finally, focus on the call to action, which is the part that tells people what to do next. Make sure the call to action stands out and matches what the link or destination will provide. Once you have made your updates, click Continue. This button helps you move from the editing stage into the next part of the workflow, where scheduling and sending decisions are handled. Clicking Continue ensures that your latest changes are carried forward, rather than staying only in the draft view. Finally, click Schedule or Send Now. Use Schedule if you want the email to go out at a specific future time. This can be useful for targeting when your audience is most likely to engage. Use Send Now if you are ready to deliver the email immediately. Either choice is valid, depending on your timing and your campaign strategy. As you reach the end of these steps, take a brief moment to confirm that you selected the correct campaign and that the subject, content, and call to action are what you intend. Then proceed with scheduling or sending based on your preference. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.